Hey everybody, welcome to 9522 Fairway Glen Drive, located here in the Meridian Ranch neighborhood. This home features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, with a fully finished walkout basement. Make sure to check out the 3-car garage with finished epoxy flooring. One amazing feature you'll love about this house is the gourmet kitchen and expansive cabinet space. One amazing feature about this beautiful floor plan is the resort-style primary suite with an attached sitting area, 2-way fireplace, and large attached primary bathroom. Enjoy the beautiful mountain views from your expansive rear deck.